Morning students. Last class some of the definitions are over. Okay, next keep adding. Lumen. Next definition, lumen. It has a luminous flux emitted in a unit by a squirrel of one candle power. By a squirrel of one candle power. Therefore, lumen is equal to candle power into solid angle. Therefore, lumen formula is that candle power into solid angle. In mathematically expressed as that lumen is equals to Cp into omega, where omega is solid angle, Cp is the candle power. Okay. Next, illumination E. The next one, illumination E. It is defined as luminous flux density per unit area. It is denoted by E. Therefore, E is equal to pi by A. Lumens per meter square. Lumens per meter square. Illumination is equal to, it is defined as, or it is defined by luminous flux density per unit area. It is denoted by E. So already we are discussed luminous flux. Luminous flux is pi and area A. In mathematical expressed as E is equal to pi by A. Lumens per meter square. Okay. And next one, lumen hour. The next definition is that lumen hour. It is the quantity of a light delivered in 1 hour. Quantity of a light delivered in 1 hour by a flux of 1 lumen. By a flux of 1 lumen is called lumen hour. Simply it is mentioned in definition only, hour. The quantity of light is delivered in 1 hour by lumens of an flux. Okay. Next one, MSCP. Next definition, MSCP, mean spherical candle power, and MHSCP, mean hemispherical candle power. Mean spherical candle power, mean hemispherical candle power. Okay. First one, mean spherical candle power. Okay. Luminous intensity or candle power of a source is different in different directions. Different in different directions. Okay. The average candle power of a source is average value of Cp all directions is extended in directions. The mean spherical candle power MSP is equal to total flux lumens by 4 pi. The formula is that MSCP is equal to total flux in lumens by 4 pi. Next, it is the average is taken over a hemispherical, then this average candle power is known as mean hemispherical candle power. If you are taking average value of that MSCP, then we can call as a mean hemispherical candle power. Therefore, MHSCP is equal to flux emitted in a hemisphere. Next one, reduction factor. Reduction factor. Its ratio of MSCP to MHSCP. Its ratio of MSCP, mean spherical candle power to mean hemispherical candle power, is called reduction factor. Next, reflection ratio. Next definition, reflection ratio. It is given by the luminous flux reflected from a small area of the surface to the total flux incident upon it. Therefore, rho is equal to m by E. Ratio of lumens extension. Ratio of lumens extension. Next, luminous extents of a surface. Luminous extents of a surface. The luminous extents at a point on a surface is defined as luminous flux emitted per unit area in all directions. Is called m is equal to del pi by a. Del pi by a lumens per meter square. Next one, definition: transmittance of an illuminated different or diffuse reflecting surface. Diffuse surface. It is defined as the ratio of a total luminous flux transmitted by to the total flux incident on it. That is m is equal to T into E. Next one, specific output or efficiency. Specific output or efficiency. It is a lamp is a ratio of luminous flux to the power. Luminous flux to the power intake. Its unit is lumen watt. Its unit is lumens per watt. Lumens per watt. And next one, specific consumption. Next one, specific consumption. It is defined as the ratio of power input to the average candle power. It is the ratio of power input to the average candle power. Okay. Next one, the next one is the utilization factor or coefficient of utilization. It is defined as the ratio of total lumens reaching the workplace to total lumens given out by the lamps. It is the ratio of total lumens reaching the working place to total lumens given out the lamp. Next one, maintenance factor. It is defined as the illumination under normal cooking condition to illumination when everything is clean. Everything is clean. Next one, depreciation factor. Reciprocal of maintenance factor. It is called as an reciprocal of and maintenance factor. Just now I have seen maintenance factor definition. It will be taken as reciprocal. Reciprocal in the sense, again we have to write further depreciation factor. It is the ratio of illumination when everything is clean to illumination under normal cooking conditions. Okay. Okay, we will see next class. Thank you.